Hello everyone, the chart guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders, we narrowed down what the most sought after information was, and we created this course, Entry and Exit Strategies. It's over 5 hours in length, and we go over different signals that the charts tell us for when to buy and when to sell. If you are the kind of trader that is still looking at charts and not realizing what it is trying to tell you, still feeling a little bit overwhelmed, this course is designed to alleviate that uncertainty. So the course outline, we're going to go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, recognizing the different indicators signaling bullish and bearish entries, being able to identify support and resistance levels, poor entries where traders make mistakes and how to avoid them, exit target, knowing where to sell your positions, where to place stop losses to keep those losses minimal, my personal preparations, how I get ready for the trading day, and then piecing it all together, looking back at everything we just learned and applying it to the real world. As a bonus, we'll also look at an intro to finding entries and exits with patterns, and you'll recognize these patterns on all kinds of time frames throughout the stock world, so certainly beneficial to be able to trade off of those as well. So we hope you will check out this course, and again, we feel it will build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge that experience will build off of and send you on the right direction to making more profitable trades. Checking in on natural gas, which certainly had a very strong week, and this is the hourly time frame. A couple trades that were pointed out on Friday. Inside candlestick on the hourly time frame, that's when the range of the candlestick fits completely within the range of the previous candlestick. And once we get that break of the low down here at 3742, that was the signal to go bearish. And look at the dump that followed. We went from 3742 when the signal was given, and just under 3 hours later we were down at 3661. So an 8-cent move, which gave a nice entry into DGAS, and then a nice bounce, big time bounce, bullish reversal hammer on increasing bullish volume confirmed, and that gave us a nice UGAS bounce. So there was some nice volatility on Friday on a general slow market day, so day trades in natural gas were present, and not many day trades were present in the overall market itself. So where we stand from here, I'll do some drawing here. I've got a key support now, the low of this pullback, 3661. So I'll move that support line there to keep an eye on that next week. And then we've got a downtrend here with just a lower high on this bounce attempt. So we'll draw that out, and that will be a downtrend resistance line to watch. And if the bulls break it, we're looking back at the high of 377. It is a little bit of a double top, multiple hours rejecting from that level before pulling back. But you can see on the weekly time frame just how strong the bulls ended this week. Look at that follow through. And what stands out? The volume. Huge volume for the bulls. And before, on the dump, it was huge volume for the bears comparatively. You look back at all of 2016 volume, and it's a big red flag. Uh-oh, we're dumping. Look at that recovery. That is pretty incredible. Bullish MACD cross on the weekly. Huge bull volume. Follow through. Close up near the high. No sign of slowdown on the weekly time frame for the bulls. Zooming in on the daily time frame for natural gas. A little bit of consolidation. Nothing significant. And we continue to higher highs. So the bulls are showing tons of strength here. And to find the next resistance levels, we'll zoom out to the weekly time frame again. And we're looking back at history here. I'm looking up at 372. We're already above that level, so looking up 3791. And then we start to see a nice upside potential. You can see we had some gap downs and an all-out drop from 413 all the way down here to 375 with not much resistance established in that range. So we're looking up at $4 psychological resistance. And if the bulls keep this kind of volume up, we're going to see that $4 range sooner rather than later. Even if we do consolidate on the daily time frame, the bulls could see pretty significant consolidation and still be in a long-term uptrend. This 350 level is now key going forward, and we saw that perfect bounce, 0.3 of a penny off of that level and continuing to the upside. So bulls in full control. We'll see what we get next week, but as of right now, very, very strong, giving lots of confidence to the longer-term bulls. And $4 psychological resistance is not too far away from where we currently stand. I appreciate you watching. Hope you have a great Sunday and Saturday, and we'll see you on Monday.